नहीं है कि मैं कई बार कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें बता रहा हूँ जो शायद आपको पता ना हो। आप सबके पास अपनी एक नॉलेज होगी, एजुकेशन होगी। आप अभी तक हज़ारों व्हाट्सएप वीडियो देख चुके होंगे अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट हम कुछ साथ में आके कुछ हंसेंगे, खेलेंगे, कुछ अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे, एक मेडिटेशन सेशन करेंगे एंड उसके बाद हम लोग इस 1 घंटे में मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करें जो हमें मैटर करती है, चाहे वो अच्छी हो, चाहे वो बुरी हो, चाहे वो बॉदर करती हो या वो एक्साइट करती हो, बट समथिंग अबाउट अ रियल लाइफ. सो we'll talk about it at the end. Is that an okay plan?
Yeah.
So let's do it. So to start with, let's do a fun theatrical activity which is related to the body. हम पहले बॉडी पे काम करेंगे, आवाज पे काम करेंगे और उसके बाद अपने मन और माइंड पे काम करेंगे. So let's start with body. Very simple exercise. शायद आप लोगों में से कुछ लोगों ने किया होगा लास्ट टाइम जब हम मिले थे, तो मैं आपको शो करूंगा. बहुत सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है. इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज को लेट गो करना है, अपनी शर्म को. तो आपको समझ में आएगा वो कैसे. Once you keep your hands aside, रिलैक्स करिए. अगले 1 घंटे तक ध्यान रखिएगा जितना हो सके ना. सो ऐसे करके या ऐसे करके बैठ के लिसन करने की कोशिश मत कीजिएगा. मैं कोई ऐसा ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा हूँ जो आपको नहीं पता होगा. सो बहुत सिंपल तरीके से विल फोकस ऑन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. जस्ट रिलैक्स योर हैंड्स, रिलैक्स योर शोल्डर्स, रिलैक्स योर नीज. फील लाइक यू डांसिंग, राइट? एक दूसरे को देखिए, इतने क्यूट लग रहे हैं आप सब, यू नो. ओके, अब इन हाथों को, शोल्डर्स को रिलैक्स करके रखना है. करिए ना थोड़ा सा. इट्स ओके. इवन इफ यू 60, 70, 80, डजंट मैटर. यू हैव सीन अ ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन, दे कीप डांसिंग, राइट? कुछ बोलने की जरूरत पड़ती है.
But we dance now also.
या सी गुड. Relax. Good. We are going to do something like this. At the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh my God.
कोई बात नहीं, आप जितना कर पा रहे होंगे आप उतना करिएगा.
थोड़ा सा हाँ बचिए.
At the count of 3. अभी कोई बात नहीं, आप जितना अगर आपको लग रहा है आपके घुटनों में दर्द है या आप नीचे नहीं बैठ सकते, मत बैठिए. आप उतना करिए जितना कर सकते हैं. सर करिए ना, आइए ना प्लीज सर. हम ना ऐसे मत करिए. यू आर एम्बैरेसिंग मी सर. प्लीज कम, प्लीज सर. सो 1, सब साथ में करेंगे. ओके, 1, 2, and 3. आवाज को बुलंद कीजिए. एक बार दिखाता हूं, उसको सुनिए और देखिए. तभी मैंने मास्क उतारना पड़ा. बिकॉज व्हेन यू डूइंग ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस यू कैन डिस्टेंस योरसेल्फ. अगर आपको लगता है आपको मास्क उतार के डिस्टेंस करना है, आप वो कर सकते हैं. 1, 2 and 3. पहले सुनिए और देखिए पोजीशन. 1, 2 and 3. You're shaking your shoulders, you're shaking your knees, you're shaking your voice. आप तीनों चीजों को शेक कर रहे हैं completely. So practically you're shaking your kundalini, which is the basis and the foundation of who we are today. Okay? Let's try it together. एक बार मोबाइल साइलेंट कर लीजिए, because इसके बाद सेशंस डीपर होंगे तो एक दूसरे से सब डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे. 1, 2 and 3. गुड मॉर्निंग. सो क्या नहीं करना है मैं फिर से बताऊं. नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू लेट गो. लेट गो ऑफ what you think is right. Let go of I've lived enough life, now I know everything. Let go of whatever you feel you know, and whatever you feel is your obstacle in your own life. You decide what you want to let go. जब आप shoulders को shake कर रहे हैं, हाथ को shake करके नीचे तक जा रहे हैं, you're practically letting go what you want to let go, and have fun with it. 1, 2 and 3. And slowly come up. And one again. 1, 2, 3. And again. Shake your lips. Yeah. Okay, we'll do section wise. Let me see कौन क्या चल रहा है. 1, 2 and 3 section. Okay. Let this first section do. Let me see how it's going on. Let's look right. 1, 2 and 3. So क्या नहीं करना है? नहीं करना. I want you to let go. You need to shake your body and come up. Let's try this section. 1, 2 and 3.
I think we are the best participants.
So if this was 100%, I want you to go at 200%. 1, 2 and 3. That's better. This section. 1, 2 and 3. Once more. 1, 2 and 3. Thank you. Now we all will do it together, once all together. Remember this what we are doing right now. थिएटर में हम कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ना, तो हम किसी और के आगे करते हैं, उनको लगता है हम जोक मार रहे हैं, मजाक कर रहे हैं, अरे ऐसे टाइम पास हो रहा है. That becomes the very foundation of every meditation which is being made on earth ever. It is the very foundation of who we are, our synchronization of our body, our mind, our spirit. It's the very foundation of that. But it happens in a fun way. ऊर्जा आई है ना इसलिए. So let's do it together, guys. Give it 200%. 1, 2 and 3. Again. 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 High level. Again. 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 Last time to the best of your capacity. Again. Good. Keep your hands tight. Relax. Move a little bit. We'll work on sounds. हम आवाज पे काम करेंगे. आवाज पे काम करेंगे. Okay? We'll do a level 1 sound. Be with me here. Level 1 sound. When we are doing any kind of sound practice, नाभि के नीचे हारा, कुंडलिनी, हम इससे आवाज निकालते हैं. एंड उसके बारे में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उसका महत्व सीखेंगे when it comes to living our lives. At a level A, when we are making a simple noise. हम रोज बात करते हैं उस लेवल में जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Practice with me. Level 1. Simple. महसूस करिए कि वो आवाज यहां से आ रही है. एक आवाज आती है फिर यहां से आती है फिर हारा से. वो रंजीत करता था ना पुराने जमाने में फिल्मों में. ठीक है, फिर से लेवल 1. लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. When you're breathing out, focus on any one thing which you want to let go. Something in your own personal life you're not okay with. It could be about yourself or it could be about anybody. You don't need to tell anyone. We'll do it 3 times. We'll take it to level 2. best of your capacity, that voice will come. Get ready. We'll do it together. And जितना उसको खींच सकते हैं, उसको खींचेगा. Decide what you want to let go. Decide what you want to let go. When you're breathing out, you let go what you don't want. And when you're breathing in, you will let in what you want. So if you feel, if I feel I want to let go laziness, I want to bring in more energy. So when I'm breathing out, I'm letting go and I'm bringing in energy. If you think you want to let go a trouble in your life, a situation in your life for which you think there is no solution, you're not okay with it. So when you're letting go, when you're breathing out, let it go. The emotions, the feelings are nothing but energy. When we are speaking, it's an energy. When we're breathing, it's an energy. When we are laughing, जैसे आपने previous session में किया, it's an energy. ठीक है? So when you're breathing out, let go. What you want to let go, you decide. कुछ एक चीज देखिए, कुछ एक सबसे important चीज. ठीक है? We'll do it again to the last level. Witness what's going on with you. What are you letting go? What are you letting in? And why? What are you letting go? What are you letting in? And why? आप क्या चीज अपने बीइंग से, अपने सिस्टम से निकालना चाहते हैं? ओके? उसके और प्रिसाइज करिए. नेगेटिव एनर्जी क्या? ये देखना कि मेरे सामने वाले के पास 2 मिलियन का हाउस क्यों है और मेरे पास 1 मिलियन का क्यों है? या इस चीज के बारे में नेगेटिव एनर्जी कि आई एम डन विद माय लाइफ और एम आई बोर्ड इन माय लाइफ, आई डोंट हैव अ पर्पस इन माय लाइफ. और इस बात की नेगेटिव एनर्जी कि मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूं या करना चाहती हूं लेकिन मैं कर नहीं पा रही हूं. या इस बात की नेगेटिव एनर्जी कि कोई मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देता है. नेगेटिव एनर्जी क्या? इट्स मिलियंस ऑफ थिंग्स. पिन पॉइंट, कम रियल टू योर लाइफ. What are you not okay with? So that you let go. But what do you want? What do you want? What do you really want?
Positive energy and a good health.
So good thoughts, good health. Good health in what way? Good health का मतलब सबके लिए अलग होगा. Good health किसी का मतलब होगा अच्छा सोना. किसी लिए good health का मतलब होगा
No pain in the body.
No
pain in the body.
No pain in the body. Specific. Pain में भी specific आइए. कहाँ ऐसी जगहों पे पेन्स होती है जो आपको लेट गो करनी है. So if knee is the priority, if knee pain is a priority, then let go of that. Knee pain associated with your insecurities and fears.
Yeah.
So if you want to let go knee pain, which fear and insecurity you want to let go? So when you're letting go, you need to be that specific. Otherwise, it's just an energy, negative energy. Okay. Till the time we are alive, we will be filled with positive and negative energy. Bottom line, you can't fight with it. If you want to let go, be specific what you want to let go.
Fears and anxiety.
Huh?
Probably fears and anxiety.
Fear of what? Fear of?
For the I'm having some medical issues.
No, one second.
कुछ गलत ना हो जाए future में.
So fear of, we are open in this group, guys. हम लोग
Everything should be streamlined.
yeah. So fear of what? Fear of passing away. Fear of having bad health and being on bed.
Yeah.
Fear of not being able to have your spouse with you. Fear of not having your kids around you. Fear of what?
Mother-in-law.
Huh?
Mother-in-law.
So यही बोल रहा हूँ. You need to pick one right now.
I want
So
to
pick
let
up
go-
most important
I want
one.
to let go arthritis in my body, which is too much. I don't want to.
Thank you for sharing that. So she wants to let go of the arthritis in her body.
Yeah.
Arthritis is connected to what?
Pain anywhere in the body because
Anywhere in the body?
sometimes pains here, sometimes pains here, sometimes
Okay.
pain.
So that is something you want to let go.
Yeah.
Anything which is connected with that arthritis, any situation of your life you feel is connected. You don't need to tell if you don't want to tell. Guys, let's listen to each other. Sorry, sir. Let's listen to each other, guys. कई बार आप एक दूसरे को जब सुनते हैं तो आपको समझ में आता है कि you're not the only one.
पर एक चीज है, अर्थराइटिस है मुझे, पर मेरे अंदर पॉजिटिव एनर्जी इतनी मैं क्रिएट कर लेती हूँ कि
Good. Good. Okay. So that is something you want to let go.
You know, next week I am going to have my surgery here, but
Okay.
still I am dancing, I am doing exercise.
God bless you.
Because I think differently.
It's absolutely fine for what you want to let go. Anyone else? Yes, sir.
You talk with fears. She let go around.
Sorry, one sec, guys. Sorry.
Fear running around or not around.
I don't know. Everybody could have a different fear. Guys, please be silent when other people are talking, please. Please. हाँ जी, बताइए. So, हम सबके fears, हम सबकी pain, हम सबके दर्द could be different. हम सबकी जिंदगी different है, हमारी situations different है. Okay? So, let's focus on what exactly we want to do. I want you to be clear what you want to let go and what you want to let in. Because this session is dependent on that now. Okay? Feeling active?
Yeah.
Feeling ready?
Yep.
जितना हो सके अवॉइड कीजिएगा ऐसे बैठना, बोर हो जाएंगे नहीं तो. As much as possible, keep your head straight, spine straight. Till the time you feel you're not able to, like your body doesn't allow, I respect that. We have very less time for us to talk about that part. So, yes, sir.
My question is, as you shared about the fear, everybody has got various reasons for
Guys,
fearing their mind.
ma'am, one second. Let's not talk everything, guys. Let's talk in open for everyone. Please, let's respect each
So,
other.
everyone has got some or other fear,
Yeah.
maybe any cause. For example, if I take my case,
Hmm.
everything is okay. But initially I have to accept that I am getting old, I will definitely have little pain also and all that. But you are telling these are methods to relieve the pain. Right? Now, the main reason, for example, me troubles is all the time, I want happiness. Immediately fear will come. अरे यार बुरा ना मान जाए, बेटा ये ना कर दे, या ये क्या हो रहा है? You know, this is nothing. You are okay. They are okay. But imaginary fears are there all the time.
Fear is imaginary one.
Imagine, okay, and that keeps you unhappy.
Yeah.
So that is what I was imaginary happy. Unhappiness should go.
Your unhappiness should go away.
Right.
Do you know that fear and happiness have nothing to do with each other? I could have a fear that my kid when he grows up might not even talk to me. Imaginary fear. But my happiness is today. My fear is about future. There is no link in between.
They are not the emotional outlets.
It's fine, it can be, but it is not connected every time.
Right.
You could be happy despite your fears. You could be having a certain fear and you could still be happy. For example, this is my fear. This could be any fear. This could be any fear. You can name it. You can name this fear as for someone to pass away, fear of people not respecting you, fear of anything. It could be even related to work. If anybody is still in businesses, fear related to business. It could be anything or any other worry. Now, I could either make it as big as this, Or I could make this fear as big as this, or I could keep this fear alive in my pocket and live my life the way I'm living. I'm not trying to take it out. The day you try to take the fear out and say that now I'm off fear, your struggle starts because you say, "Yaar, fear again aa gaya." The fear is imaginary, created by our mind, which is being gifted to us by God, which does amazing things also, and which creates these kind of feelings also. So let it be. Recognize your fear, accept your fear, and keep working and keep doing what you need to do towards the reality. It's your choice.
And the fear is not strong. Can you call it apprehension?
Sorry, sir.
Apprehension. How would you compare apprehension with fear?
I'm not able to.
Apprehension.
Apprehension.
Okay?
How would you compare it to?
Apprehension is about fear could be really, really big. Fear can become this big that it can start looking like a reality. Apprehensions mostly are the small obstacles in a real task. I have an apprehension about the fact that this deal I'll be able to close or not. I have an apprehension if I'm doing a workshop here, whether people will go back with something good or not. Small things. Fear could be, I don't know if I'm able to do this workshop or not today. I might not be able to speak up in front of 50 people. It can become very big. So, most of the time, fear becomes really imaginary. Like our visual imagination can go crazy. Okay?
Fear of future.
Fear of future?
Uncertainty. We don't know what's going to happen next year. So that is fear.
Okay.
That's what I think.
Okay. So let's do one thing, guys. हम लोगों ने काफी बातें की इस बारे में. Let's do a small meditation session on that. And उसके बारे में बात करेंगे उसके बाद. ठीक है? आप अपनी सीट ले लीजिए जहाँ पर भी हैं. Guys, पीछे इस समय नॉइज नहीं चाहिए होगी. So आप सब लोग एक बार आप बता सकते हो. एक बार उन्हें बता देंगे वो पीछे कोई भी साउंड आ रही है. Take a position. Please keep your mobiles on silent in case.
जी, मेडिटेशन का बिल्कुल शांत मन से करना होता है, बिल्कुल चुप. आप अपने मोबाइल को ऑफ कर दीजिएगा और वाइब्रेशन पे कर दीजिएगा. बिल्कुल नॉइस नहीं होना चाहिए. और अब आप आधे घंटे के लिए देखेंगे कि कितनी मन को शांति मिलेगी. तो ये आप बिल्कुल शांत मन से, कोई बात नहीं करेगा, कोई हिलेगा नहीं, डुलेगा नहीं, कोई इधर उधर नहीं होगा, और बिल्कुल शांत मन से मेडिटेशन अटेंड करिएगा.
Just give me 1 minute. It's not getting connected properly. Gently relax yourself. जब आप चेयर पे बैठ के कभी भी मेडिटेशन करते हैं, तो आपके दोनों पाँव जितना हो सकता है जमीन पे टच कर दें. नहीं करें कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपकी हाइट की वजह से अगर हो सकता है तो वो करिएगा. Gently breathe in and breathe out. When you breathe in and breathe out, do it as per your capacity. जितना आप breathe in और breathe out कर सकते हैं उतना कीजिए. Breathe in and breathe out to the best of your capacity. Relax your hands. Relax your shoulders. Relax your spine. And slowly close your eyes. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Relax the shoulders, relax the spine. Relax your hands. Relax your feet. Relax your eyes for a while. Just for a while, choose to keep your eyes closed. And give this time and give this gift to yourself. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. And focus on that one area which you want to let go. What do you actually want to let go? Focus on yourself for now. Just for a few minutes, forget other people. आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है, कौन आ रहा है, कौन जा रहा है. Waste of energy. Focus on yourself right now. And ask yourself, कि मेरी जिंदगी कैसी चल रही है? अच्छी या नहीं? And what is that one thing I can let go today that I don't want in my life right now, which will help me to make my life better? Consciously breathe out what you want to let go. Keep your head straight and spine straight. And breathe out consciously, deeply, for what you want to let go. Focus on that pain point, what you want to let go. Visualize it. And breathe it out with your mouth wide open. Breathe it out. For next 30 seconds, I want you to breathe out consciously what you really want to let go. क्या चीज, क्या पेन, क्या fear, क्या चीज आप actually निकालना चाहते हैं. I want you to breathe out consciously for next 30 seconds. But breathing out through your mouth. And ask yourself, what do I need to breathe in? What do I need to breathe in? Do I need more love in my life? From my people, from my family? Do I need more respect in my life? क्या मैं ये चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ कि मेरे आसपास मेरे लोग, मेरी फैमिली मेरी इज्जत करें? Or do I want some purpose in my life? That even if I'm at certain age, why can't I have a purpose? The purpose could be to take care of somebody. Purpose could be to start a new venture. The purpose could be to get a job. The purpose could be to travel. The purpose could be anything, as small and as big as possible. What do I need in my life? What do I really want in my life?
Don't want it. Bigger than what you want.
Then we need to focus on letting go what we don't want. I want you to inhale what you think in this very moment. Let's not talk big. In this very moment, what do you really want? There could be some things which are not possible. There are some things which are not possible. My mother passed away a few years back. I want her to come back. She won't come. Unreal. Talk about what is possible now. Because there's no other way out. Else we'll keep focusing on our losses. Else we'll keep focusing on what's gone. What do you really want to help yourself have 1% better life right now? What do you really want? And what do you really need to let go?
That's all.
I want you to breathe in what you really want. Consciously breathe in what you really want as of now, as of today. And what you really need to let go. Get out of the system, get out of your organs, your body, your being, your spirit. What do you want to let go? You want to let go your fear of anything particular you feel? You want to let go your stagnancy of being at one place? You want to let go the worthless feeling? What do you really want to let go? And what do you want to let go? Let it. Breathe in what you really want and breathe out what you're tired. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Keep your head straight and spine straight. Be absolutely alive in the moment right now. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Imagine what you want to let go is going out from your system right now. And imagine what you really want is slowly and steadily coming in your system right now. It's a gentle and a slow process. Let's start it. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Spend next few minutes in silence with yourself and ask yourself this one question. अपने आप से सिर्फ एक सवाल करिए. आज इस वक्त मैं ऐसी क्या चीज करना शुरू कर सकता हूं या कर सकती हूं जिससे मेरी जिंदगी बेहतर हो सकती है या मेरे आसपास वालों की जिंदगी बेहतर हो सकती है. अपने आप से ये सवाल पूछिए. The next few minutes just sit with yourself with this question.
कागज के पर्दे हैं, ताले हैं दरवाजों पे, पानी में डूबे हुए ख्वाब अल्फाजों के, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग साए जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग साए जहाँ, तेरे मेरे रास्ते हैं, जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ, खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ. रूह से बहती हुई दुनिया इशारे दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ, खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ, तेरे मेरे रास्ते हैं, जादुई इमारतें हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ, खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते
कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ
Enjoy the stillness. Enjoy the silence.
सो गए हैं ये सांसें सभी अधूरी सी है कहानी मेरी
फिसल जाऊं तो डरना कोई रुक जाने की जरूरत नहीं
कागज के पर्दे हैं ताले हैं दरवाजों पे पानी में डूबे हुए खोए हुए सालों के
खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ तेरे मेरे रास्ते जादू मारते मैं भी खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ
Gently breathe in, breathe out. Be easy and gentle with yourself right now. Slowly come back to this room.
रूह से बहती हुई तुम
Slowly come back to your body, your breath.
कुछ मेरे राज हमारा से
Move your toes, move your fingers. And only if you feel complete,
रंग साए
gently open your eyes. If you feel you're not complete, feel free to continue. As of now, I would request us to maintain silence.
कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंगों सा ये जहाँ
Take your own time. When you come back, I want you to ponder over one question. एक सवाल अपने आप से पूछिए कि as of today, 4th May, 2:50 p.m. ET, what is that one thing I want to start doing to bring in much more happiness, harmony, and ease in mind and lives of people around you. What is that one thing? It could be, हो सकता है आप सबके 50 different answers हो. I am not here to tell you what to do. Right now, your mind, your heart any spirit is absolutely silent. Ask yourself this question, and the first answer you get, stick to it. Don't doubt the answer which you're getting right now. If the answer which comes to you might be that you need to apologize to somebody, that could be right. You might get an answer for this one question right now. Don't doubt the answer. And gently breathe in and breathe out. Slowly come back. Would anybody like to share either of two things? I'm not taking a question right now. Either of two things. One is, how are you feeling right now? Either of that. You can raise your hands and one by one. I don't want all of us to share together. Or you could be sharing, what is that one thing you need to do which will make your current life better? One practical thing, one actionable, कि मैं ये करूँगा या करूँगी, मैं ये फ़ोन करूँगा या करूँगी, मैं ये काम पे जाऊँगा या जाऊँगी, मैं ये actionable. So either how are you feeling right now, and or what is that one thing you think you need to do right now, or let go, which is very important. What do you need to do? For the ones who are ready, can raise their hands. Sorry, yes, please.
I would like to exercise. I have become very lazy.
Okay.
And
So let's talk actionable. This is what you call actionable. एक होता है wish, dream. एक होता है intention. एक्सरसाइज का मतलब है आप रोज कितना देर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और एक वीक में कितनी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे और क्या एक्सरसाइज करेंगे.
at least half an hour a day to begin with. Then
What exercise will you do?
I mean, free hand exercise.
Okay. You'll do it at home or you'll go outside.
No, I do it at home.
Okay. If you're not able to do, then what?
It's impossible that I'll not be able to do.
Great. So what is the way out for that? Has anybody asked you these questions? That's my job. So you could tell one of your family members.
Okay, one thing I want.
Sir, let me complete. So I'm giving an example. You could follow it or you can have another way out also. आप अपनी फैमिली मेंबर में से जिसको जो लगता है आपका अच्छा उनके साथ बनती है, आप उनको बोलिए कि मैं रोज हाफ एन आवर की एक्सरसाइज करूंगा. अगर मैं नहीं करूंगा तो मैं $2 फाइन दूंगा आपको. प्रैक्टिकल. आप 5 दिन में शुरू करिए. हफ्ते में 5 दिन करिए हाफ एन आवर की एक्सरसाइज. और अगर मैं हफ्ते में 5 दिन नहीं कर पाऊंगा तो एक दिन मिस करने का मैं $2 आपको फाइन दूंगा. महीने के एंड में आप उन्हें फाइन दीजिए. या आप डोनेशन करिए, टेंपल में चढ़ावा करिए. कोई भी आप एक अपने आप को बांधने के लिए यू हैव टू शो योरसेल्फ अ कैरेट. दिस इज हाउ you bring an actionable point. Is that okay?
Got it. Yes, thank you.
So you were saying something.
But my thinking is that,
Guys, let's listen to him.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
fear bird.
Fear.
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 Word, I don't think we should think about that.
Okay.
I never think in my life. Fear. if you are thinking about that, you can't do anything.
Okay?
Don't think about fear.
Okay?
Think God gives you brain.
Okay.
Think about that, but you want to do it.
Valid point.
Think of that.
But what is your name, sir?
One,
What is your name?
Premnath.
What is your name? Makkan. What is your name?
Sabarwal.
My name is Prashant. What is your name? What is your name? Were we all born in same family? Did we have same education? Did we work or lived our lives in the same house, same situations? Were the challenges in our life different or same? Then we cannot use the word we. You can talk about yourself, sir.
No, I'm not talking only myself. I'm
So
talking
then
about
you need to use I,
You know-
not we, sir.
fear means without that. Okay, if you fear something, you can't do anything. You can't go anywhere. Which is, I tell you very clearly, I'm not fear from anything.
Congratulations, sir.
I think faster myself.
Guys,
What is going, I'm going to do it.
let's not talk within ourselves.
That's what is fear. I'm not agree with that. I understand.
That's fine.
Fear.
We are not having a discussion about,
Thank you.
sir, that is just that.
No,
But
that's
it's a
what-
very good thing which works for you,
Yeah.
sir. And we pray everybody is able to do that.
Thank you.
But sometimes our conditions, our teachings of the life do not help us to do that, and which is fine. Right now, I want us to, right now, one sec, I'm so sorry. Right now, we'll share of either these two things. How are you feeling right now? Second, what do you think you need to do right now? I have only 5 minutes, I cannot take any other sharing right now, I'm sorry. Let's stick to this one, right? Anybody would like to share on either of these 2 points? Yes,
I feel very calm right now.
you're feeling very calm right now. You're feeling calm? तो काम करते हैं. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Anybody else wants to share anything? Ask them. Share these 2 things. Any of these 2 things.
I'm relaxed.
You feeling relaxed?
Yes.
How many of you are feeling relaxed? Raise your hands.
Relaxed and
How many of you are feeling bored and sleepy? My first meditation session when I went to my teacher, and in 20 minutes I slept off. So he asked me, how was the session? I said, good. He said, अच्छा, what did I say? तो मैंने तुक्के से कुछ भी बोल दिया. मैंने कहा हाँ ये ऐसी कुछ बात हुई. कहते मैंने ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं की. I saw you sleeping there. So sometimes when you even sleep in a meditation, the energies, the vibration are so nice that it's absolutely okay. Sometimes I go to Gurdwara and I just want to sleep there. But वहाँ मारेंगे मुझे वहाँ. तो नहीं कर सकते. But the vibration, the energies are so beautiful that you just want to relax, right?
On a yoga mat, I'm sure majority of the people here would have been sleeping. We were at peace, calm, and in a happy place.
Beautiful. Meditation has nothing to do with how you're sitting. Unless there are certain meditations which require certain posture. But when you're talking about simple meditations, if you feel your knees do not allow you to sit on a yoga mat, it's absolutely okay. It's absolutely okay. The day we have, there are certain seminars I do which go for the whole day and all. We do standing meditations. There are dancing meditations, there are Kundalini meditations, there are dynamic meditations, there are Nataraj meditations. There are thousands of meditations, they have nothing to do with sitting. So the point is, meditation, there are certain meditations which have certain defined postures because they've been created like that. But when it comes to simple meditations, the way we are doing right now, feel free to sit on a chair. We keep our feet on the ground because Mother Earth grounds ourselves. So when we are doing a visualization meditation like you were doing, ab soch rahe the kuch, it is very normal for you to just feel like sleeping, conking off, or just you're not in your senses, aapko aise chakkar aa rahe hain. Put your feet on the ground and you'll feel grounded. So hence we always keep our feet, both our feet on the ground.
One question.
Simple. Yes.
Can you do meditation while sleeping? Because sometime in this with aging, sleeping problems come to that. And all that. So, just like Shavasana or meditation, or we have the word meditation, can we do while lying on the bed?
If we say can, the answer is yes. But if your answer is maybe, the answer is no. Because there is something called as why are you doing meditation? If you're doing a meditation which is related to moon, which is related to sleeping, which is related to night time, and which is not an active meditation, which is not to energize you. This meditation was to help you contemplate what's going in your life. I would not suggest this to be done lying down, but if you're doing a meditation to let go of your anxiety, your stress, and to relax yourself and sleep, that's the kind of meditation you should do when you are lying down. Got it, sir?
We are not that knowledgeable as you are. Only one or two types of meditation, what I learned.
Yes, sir.
If I do regularly,
Guys,
definitely,
listen.
if I do regularly, really I get confidence
You
for my
feel-
whole age.
Then do it.
But unfortunately, sometimes we are not able to be very. To the result that all the time at the back of my mind, thinking, why?
Yeah.
As far as sleeping problems are concerned, because either to get up and do a long below, or do some physical exercises, we get tired and just sleep.
Yeah.
Many methods have been told.
Yeah.
So that's why I was asking you what is the meditation. As far as I understand, meditation means you start with concentration at one point. You know?
It is a type of meditation what you're
Right.
taking.
Sometimes they say tip of the nose, sometimes at the heart, sometimes.
Guys, my God, कितना बात करते हैं यार? सुनो, he is asking a very valid question. Listen.
So, at that time, while we are sleeping, otherwise I have to get out of the bed and sit down and do a long below or do some exercise. You get a little tired or deficient, but you. That's why I ask you, while lying in bed, okay, normally we think on the left hand side, okay, mostly you should not sleep.
What is your exact question, sir?
My question is, what is the exact way of meditation can we do while sleeping?
You can. I gave you the answer. If the meditation, focus of the meditation is to help you to relax, rest and sleep, you should. But if the focus of the meditation is for you to ponder over something, bring in more clarity, introspect, take an action, or concentrate, breathe, if these are your focus, then you can do it sitting. If the focus of the meditation is to let go, which are called as active meditations, then they have not to be done even sitting or lying down. They need to be done standing up.
So
it all depends on the focus of.
You tell specifically now what type of meditation is there while you are sleeping on the bed.
All meditations which are needed or required for you to let go of any of your issues such as anxiety or stress and help you to sleep, rest, are the ones which need to be done lying down. But in such cases also, most of the people what they do, they practice it sitting, the meditation, and then they lie down. But if you feel you're not able to do that due to any reason, do it lie down, which is fine.
That's right.
It's just that. And there could be hundreds of them. There are so many meditations, there are so many people who are doing it, and more are getting created. There is no end to it right now.
So Shant, can I share about fear something? About fear.
In 1 or 2 lines.
2 lines.
Okay.
Okay, something but in 2 lines, my Gurudev Swami Sachidanand, I keep on my fridge, he said, fear and trust in God does not go together. If you believe in God, He gives you everything you need, and if you believe in God, He takes away everything you don't need. I keep that card is turned brown on my fridge, so anytime I'm fear of anything, it's coming from above. He'll take away what I don't need and He'll give me everything that I need. And that works for me. 2 lines.
And if it works for her, it could work for 70, but it could be possible that it does not work for 30. My message to those 30, create your own way. There is not one way to deal with a certain issue. So create your own way. Sorry, somebody raised hand here. Was it you? Yes.
You were asking an impossible thing.
Impossible thing.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you were telling so many ladies sitting there. No, not possible. 5 ladies sitting in a room, not talking to each other for an hour, not possible.
No, that's not good.
Thank you for sharing that.
No, but sometimes that's also.
See, now this is the discussion which is called as.
That's the old saying, but nowadays men's also talk about it.
Okay, guys, coming back to the focus here. This is a discussion which is called as belief and concept discussion. If I come together with my friends for 2 hours, you cannot stop me. We talk and we talk. Even ladies will be like, we are tired now. Can we just go? So it's called old belief and concept. Yes, you want somebody? You want to share? Yes.
When we do meditation at home.
Is it a question or sharings of those two things?
Question. Because I want to know.
How much time do we have? Sabharwal ji, how much time do we have?
As much as you take.
No, I think somebody's coming.
Anyway, that will be.
Okay.
We can.
At home, when you do meditation at home.
Guys, listen to each other question, otherwise I'm not taking questions. Let's listen to each other question. Let's respect each other. Madam, focus here.
Most of us were settled at home.
Most of us are?
Sleeper or send something at home.
I'm not able to hear you. You must line there.
At home, when we do meditation at home, we wear chappal, right? Most of the ladies or guys, they wear chappal at home. So meditation time, should we take out the chappal and sit, or the chappal also can remain?
Spiritually, no difference. Religiously, lot of difference. So, अभी हमने shoes पहन के किया.
I could not hear you.
I'm saying, so the question was, when we are at home, हम चप्पल पहन के बैठते हैं. जब meditation करें, तो उतारनी चाहिए या नहीं उतारनी चाहिए? So my answer is, spiritually doesn't make a difference. Religiously, it might make a difference to the religion you belong to.
So when you touch
It's
your
your individual choice. अभी हमने shoes पहन के किया, but if you give me a chance, if I have to set up this room, I will remove tables. I will request you guys to take the shoes off. It is just as a respect. क्या होता है? I'll tell you the scientific reason about it. When we walk with our shoes or chappals outside what we see is a dirt, but there's a lot of energy outside. Energy of different people around us. कहते हैं ना आप पेरेंट्स यूज से कि बाहर का गंद अंदर लेके मत आओ, जूते बाहर उतारो. So the same meaning comes for any kind of a spiritual practice. Leave the dirt outside. बट अगर आप घर पे एक चप्पल पहन के घूम रहे हो और अगर उस पर मेडिटेशन करोगे तो क्या कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
अंदर की चप्पल अलग होती है, बाहर की चप्पल.
It's your individual choice.
प्रशांत जी,
It's your individual choice.
1 मिनट के लिए मैं भी कमेंट देना चाहूँगा. ऐसे है
Guys,
जो
guys.
मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता सकता हूँ कि जब जूते उतार के मैं ज़मीन को टच करता हूँ, सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी 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 हेल्दी फॉर माई मेडिटेशन. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और यहाँ से एनर्जी मिलती है. वो एनर्जी जो शूज़ हैं जो इन बिटवीन पहने होते हैं वो उससे नहीं मिलती है, तो वो एनर्जी मिलती है. दूसरा, ये जितने भी महात्मा हैं वो अपने पाँव को हाथ नहीं लगाने देते क्योंकि उनकी ऊर्जा जो है वहाँ से आप कैच करते हैं. तो ये जो ऊर्जा आप में है, तो जो एनर्जी होती है, तो जो कोई टच करता है उससे उसको मिलती है. तो मैं ये कहता हूँ कि ज़मीन से जब हम अपने पाँव टच करते हैं हमें बड़ी ऊर्जा ज़मीन से मिलती है और वो मेडिटेशन मैं बहुत अच्छा समझता हूँ और बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Any other person wants to share anything?
आपने बहुत अच्छा सिखाया. मैं कहा दुनिया वो किताब है जो पढ़ी नहीं जा सकती, पर जमाना वो किताब है तो सब कुछ सिखा देता है. आज आपने बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to each other. And yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.